Well, we are in Kemeri National Park, or this the city Kemeri, and here's
abandoned buildings.
Yeah, I mean, so much abandoned building. This is huge. This is probably a school or something, or maybe factory. But what's this? Warehouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make some 3D models from these.
There's gonna be a link in the description later.
Yeah.
When these videos have millions of views.
Yeah. Now.
Link to the store, of course.
Yeah. But
also, there's so many. It's a very good place to take these photos.
Yeah, it's. I mean, Baldwin Bankrupt needs to be here. He needs to not go only to. Moldova and Russia, and Belarus, and so on. But he needs really to be here, in Latvia also. Here we can see some gopniks were smoking and drinking some drinks, as Mr. Bald says. And here it looks like a prison cell, but it's not. And it really smells here with from smoke. It smells like smoke. It probably was burning at some point. We drove with electric scooters from Kemeri to Tukums city of roses, abandoned buildings and beautiful manors. So look guys, now we are in a Soviet abandoned market. So here we have, you look at these empty stores, nothing else in the stores, empty like big house stores and shelves. And what you got here? Oh, a cat. Sitting cat. Hi cat. Hello. Oh, alright. He's afraid of us. But yeah, it's abandoned, empty market, and it's usually not abandoned like now, but it's COVID-19 time. And here we have beautiful Soviet Latvian store. So let's get in and look what they have in the store. Then?
Jūs varat ļaut filmēt laukā?
Kaudzu?
Jūs varat ļaut filmēt veikaliņu laukā?
Kāpēc nav?
Tur jau vajag paprasīt saimniekam, vai drīkst to darīt, vai nē, tas jau mūsu īpašums.
Nevar veiklā filmēt?
Veiklā noteikti nedrīkst filmēt, nē.
Ārā?
Es nezinu, jāprasa saimniekam jāzvanīt, vai viņa teritorija.
No labi, tas nefilmēšu.
Jā.
We stayed at Tukums Ice Hall Hotel, and then the next morning we went to the new adventures. So alright guys, I am arriving at an object. This is at a place where I have many objects to film or to scan. I usually scan these buildings. Look, I like this glass. Here, what we have here? This is an abandoned, empty school or something like that, or maybe bureau. And we have look. Can we have a look? What's here? V Stapurns L Rīgas NB. I think it's some kind of workplace where people kind of worked here. And I've done my job. What I do is I scan these old buildings for photometry. I don't know how to pronounce it, but then it will be used in 3D making. So you can I don't know, print it out or use it in games or use it in I don't know, even if in videos. Oh, what's this? What's this? Ah, beautiful. What we have here? Nothing special. What we have here? Hello. Someone's been sleeping here. Yeah. It looks like bombs were sleeping here. It's kind of place where to sleep. Yeah, let's go inside. Look. Yeah, many bubbles. And even it looks like they were sleeping even today or yesterday. And I'm just arrived to their place, to their home, I would say. Usually, well, like in India, even here, people sleep in abandoned houses because nobody care about it. Nobody cares. So, and that's it. Okay, guys, I think I will end this vlog and probably go to I will seek another object to scan with my drone. So, bye bye.
Goat.
Oh, goat! It's a goat! Beautiful white goat.
Male goat.
Male goat?
Male goat.
Okay. How do you know it's male?
I think the horns. I don't know.
Oh, it's because of horns. Okay. Okay, let's keep him safe and not go in his territory.
He will kill you.
He
can kill you. Yeah.
The goat?
He's very strong, of course.
Well,
He
yeah.
will do this move
Okay.
and punch you in
Okay.
your.
Okay, then let's
Your
not.
throat.
Let's
Imagine
not.
you died from him. That was your life.
My heroic death. Yeah. I was talking about that. I want to die a heroic death, you know, and if that's my death,
No, but it would be a sad death. You would kind of fall, for
Yeah,
example.
yeah.
You would fall in the grass, and you couldn't get up, and he was like very slowly killing you with his horns.
Hello guys, it looks like I have a problem. Let me check where's my friend. Oh yeah, this is the entrance. We can go here and probably walk to the drone without injuring us. These are some wires. Ooh, yeah, the roof very collapsed very good. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, but my drone is probably up there. Maybe even it's here. Oh, yeah, it's very dangerous to go up here because the roof really collapses, and the roof can collapse under us. Yeah, thank you. Oh, my baby.
It was so hard to see it.
It looks like the drone itself is completely okay. Yeah.
What's this? Oh, this is the place where it connected, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, the gimbal is working. Poor drone. Poor baby.
Okay. So the drone survived, and we continued to preserve history.